Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to play Pac-Man game, which is a very popular game offline directly in Google Chrome. So this is actually a Google Chrome extension which is offering free access to play this game directly in Google Chrome. If you search for this extension, this will come 70 70,000 installs are there. So I've already installed it. This icon will appear. If you click on this icon, the game will directly start inside the browser. You need to press the N keyword to start the game. So let me just start this. So it has music as well. I've just disabled the sound. Score is also there, as you see. So in this easy way, guys, you can play this game. So this is the extension Pac-Man game for offline.